Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. Maharashtra saw yet another hit-and-run case as the son of Shiv Sena leader allegedly rammed his car into a couple on a bike. One person died while other is injured. Two people have been arrested in connection with the case. The main accused, a 24-year-old, is missing. A lookout notice has been issued by the Mumbai police against Mihir Shah. Teams have been informed to nab Shah. The incident took place early morning of 7th July when the couple were returning back to their home in Mumbai's Worli. The woman, Kaveri Nakhwa, succumbed to her injuries. Luckily, her husband Pradeep Nakhwa was saved. They were residents of Worli's Kolivada area. They were returning from Sassoon Dock after purchasing fish. Their scooty was knocked down near Worli's Atria Mall around 5:30 am. Mihir Shah's father, Rajesh Shah, and his driver was arrested later in the evening by Mumbai police for not cooperating. Rajesh Shah is a deputy leader of Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena from Palghar district. The BMW car was registered on father's name. Mihir Shah, a night before the accident, was out till late night. He was reportedly at a club in Mumbai's Juhu. At the time of accident, Mihir Shah was driving the car. He was allegedly drunk. Reports say that the driver drove the car from Juhu to Worli. However, upon reaching Worli, Mihir told his driver that he would drive. When the car rammed into the vehicle, the couple landed on the car's bonnet. The husband managed to jump off it. However, the wife was dragged for 100 meters. She was brought to Mumbai's Nair hospital. However, she died on the way to hospital. Soon after the accident, Mihir Shah tried to scratch off the sticker of Shiv Sena from the car. He also tried to remove the car's number plate to avoid any chances of the car being linked to his father. After the accident, he left the BMW in Bandra's Kalanagar. He allegedly called his father and then switched off his phone. Now, as Mihir Shah is absconding, police suspect that Mihir's girlfriend may have helped him in hiding. A case for rash driving, culpable homicide not amounting to murder has been filed by Mumbai police. A lookout circular has also been issued against Mihir Shah. CM Eknath Shinde has said that strict action would be taken in case without sparing anyone guilty. Meanwhile, opposition leader and Worli MLA Aditya Thackeray from Shiv Sena UBT met the victim's family. He also visited the police station and met the senior police officers investigating the case. Now the incident gained further traction following Thackeray's visit and statements targeting the Shiv Sena. Had it not been Mr. Thackeray's visit, the investigations could have slowed down. It is now the opposition who is reaching out to the people with grievances. Do let us know what you think in the comments below. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.